My video guide is about removing News-tegudo.cc browser notifications and fake human verification alerts. News-tegudo.cc is a malicious site that now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to deceive you with many faulty messages, encouraging you to click on the special Allow button. But believe me, clicking on Allow button is definitely a mistake. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked and you will start receiving the great portion of ads that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your screen. So do not ever click on the Allow button, and if you have done that, you will be forwarded to some other junk sites and you will start receiving the great multitude of ads displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are dangerous, so if you have clicked on Allow, be sure to fix your browser right away. Access the menu, go to Settings. Now choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go to Permissions and then select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-tegudo.cc, remove it from the list. And be sure to delete other junk sites from this list. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden infections, I would strongly advise that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Download the installer, run the installer, and start checking your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.